What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Today, I am making a video of me making cookies in a microwave. It's gonna be a microwave cookie. It's gonna be good. I've done it before, I think, but I think it's gonna be good. So first, you gotta wash your hands. See, I people don't know how to wash your hands. I gotta put the water first. Put your brain. Then put the soap.
Big eyes.
Big eyeball. Oh yeah, just do that. You want to dry them off with a towel. Really, paper towel. What are you looking at?
Huge head.
Fat back.
Fat right.
Huge fat gorilla.
Huge fat long neck.
Huge fat. Gorilla needs neck. Alright, so we're the gorilla.
This is what today.
Alright, so the cookies
The neck.
are in the freaking microwave. Which cookie should I pick? Which one you think? Cameraman.
Backman.
Where's this only good M&M cookies?
Whichever one your brain wants to go to.
Whichever one your big huge gorilla back
I
one.
want your big diabetic back one.
Your big diabetic back!
Diabetic chin.
This is the diabetic back. How do you open these cookies? I don't know how. I'ma just open it any type of way with these heads. I'ma just cut straight through.
Cut straight through your brain.
Cut straight through your big fat gorilla diabetic
Right through
back.
your fat, huge, thick,
Fat,
huge, hard, obsidian
diabetic
skull.
M&M back.
Big microwave skull. Huge, deep wave back.
Fat neck wave. Right wave back.
Red wave, head
Neck
wave,
wave,
long
back.
wave,
Bald head.
big
face,
bald head,
Bald face. Head.
bald brain,
Bald neck.
bald thoughts,
Gorilla. Neck. Fat.
bald thoughts, brain.
Big neck.
Alright, go on.
I need to paper that first. This is a microwave M&M cookie.
Alright, back.
Alright guys, I have to cut the video because I can't get the cookie out. But now I got the cookie out. I'm just put the knife right here on the floor. Then I'm just take the little square.
By your brain.
By your fat gorilla.
By your thought up.
By your fat neck.
By your chin up.
Just run this up like a big fat gorilla.
Like a big
Back.
fat head,
Run it up
ball.
like that fat gorilla that was rolling around.
Like that fat brain rolling around. Big thought up.
Now put this in here.
No, he goes to mix both of them. Let it cook.
What can you let it out? I don't want that thing.
Yeah, you get it.
I don't want it, okay?
Take that.
I would just leave this cookie up.
Back up,
Ah! Alright, this is up for how many did I do last time?
30 seconds.
No, I kept doing 30 seconds until it got right.
Alright, better get right. Get your brain right.
Look at it, it looks so good. Oh my god.
Shut your fat head up.
Shut up!
Shut up, your
Shut up, your fat back!
fat head.
Shut your fat neck!
Thick, huge brain.
With your fat neck!
Brain.
With your fat back!
Big brainiac.
With your fat back!
With your fat chin, neck, head,
With
brain.
your fat back!
Fat brain!
Alright guys. Wow! Look at it!
Is it hard?
No, it's not hard yet.
Hard brain.
What the heck? 30 more seconds! Just because it's not melting.
Shut your fat brain up!
Shut up! Alright, guys, so after this, I'm gonna just put the stupid cookie in the freaking deep freezer just so it can harden. And I don't know why you don't know how to close the refrigerator. You all leave the refrigerator open.
Shut up before I close your big fat brain. Oh, yeah, this is good. Or the cinnamon toast crunch.
Ooh, should I put cinnamon crunch chunk in?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I don't know if you have ADHD, you can't talk.
ADHD back.
ADHD brain.
ADHD.
Brain D.
Oh yeah, that's my bad.
Vitamin brain D. D
I
back.
know you have a vitamin deficiency.
A neck deficiency.
So guys, so I'm just gonna put this in the freaking microwave and let it cool down.
Nice. And then the microwave.
See guys, put this in the microwave and let it go down for a little bit. What time is it? It's 2:31, so I'll be taking stickers out at 2:35. Cut.
Cause her brain.
God, it's 2:36. I'm late. Come on, let's go.
You did.
Dang.
Big back at the waist, like
Lord. Oh, it looks good. It's still melted. Let's go over there. Everybody else and make it try.
Taste test. Strong chin.
Okay, but let's get first the freaking plate.
Okay.
Hello, lady. Now taste test.
Big Whoopi Goldberg hair.
It's good, big chunky hair. It's good, guys.
Big Jaws chili. Diabetes. Diabetes. You talking about?
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. The cookie turned out nasty. But
You just said
it's
it was
not
good.
bad.